Are you looking for the best airless paint sprayers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best airless paint sprayers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. We found the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus to be an incredibly capable machine that delivers impressive results without a massive price tag. Our tester, a first-time sprayer user, repainted a kitchen island and covered a freshly patched drywall section. Once the appropriate pressure was dialed in, we navigated a brief learning curve with its dial. The spray was even, consistent, and faster than brushing or rolling. Loy says beginners should start at lower pressure and increase gradually. And we found that approach made it much easier to get clean, even coverage. Compared with our overall best pick, this sprayer is built for lighter use. Graco lists a recommended annual use of up to 50 gallons per year, versus 125 gallons for the Magnum X5. And it supports a shorter maximum hose length at 50 feet instead of 75. The spray gun and hose feel durable and sturdy, and we're pleased with the results. We feel confident recommending it for homeowners who want airless speed for occasional projects, but do not need the extra capacity and reach of a larger, more job-focused unit. Coming in at number 9 is the Titan ControlMax High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. We put the Titan Tool ControlMax 1700 sprayer to work by painting multiple pieces of furniture, including a dresser, a pair of end tables, a full dining room set, and a large drawer chest. The latter only took 10 minutes of actual spray time, a testament to its power and efficiency. The Titan suction hose draws paint directly from the bucket, eliminating the hassle of constant refills. It sprays evenly, even as we changed our position and angle, helping us maintain a consistent look across every edge. The ControlMax 1700 sits at a mid-range price point, noticeably above our best budget pick, but without the step-up capacity of our best for exteriors pick. It's an ideal sprayer for projects that feel large due to their complexity or surface area, especially since it handles unthinned paint and primer effortlessly. We did hit one early snag when we did not fully tighten the nuts and fittings. Paint leaked, and the sprayer sputtered, but once we tightened everything with a wrench, it ran smoothly with no spitting. This also serves as a good reminder to double-check your setup, which applies to any of our recommendations. The primary downside with this pick is the cleanup process, which took us nearly 1 hour and required multiple buckets of water. This sprayer is also quite loud, comparable to a push lawn mower. Though, for homeowners tackling substantial renovations or frequent furniture flips, the professional results and massive time savings over traditional methods make it a worthwhile investment. At number 8, we have the Graco TrueCoat 360 Cordless Connect Handheld Paint Sprayer. We tested the Graco TrueCoat 360 on a hallway wall and found it to be a unique, agile solution for small jobs, proving itself as a great cordless handheld option. Unlike typical battery-powered models, this unit connects directly to a cordless drill or impact driver for power. The resulting spray was remarkably even and consistent for such a portable tool. We even alternated between horizontal and vertical patterns and did not experience clogging or spitting. Control is simple and beginner-friendly. The biggest hurdle is setup, since its paint cup has to be purged of air before it will spray reliably. After priming, we were able to spray in any direction, including upside down, which is a major advantage for painting tight spaces or furniture. Though, the small cup can mean you're in for multiple paint refills, depending on your project. As Loy says, these smaller cup guns are excellent for furniture and doors, but they can be less practical for larger jobs because they hold less paint. For anyone who needs to spray multiple rooms or large continuous surfaces, you'd be better off with a corded, hose-fed sprayer like our Best for Walls pick. But for quick touch-ups where cordless flexibility matters, it's worthy of a spot on your workbench. At number 7, we have the Titan ControlMax 19 Pro High-Efficiency Airless Sprayer. We tested the 19 Pro on several exterior doors and a built-in cabinet surround, and it covered both with a steady coat straight from the bucket, with no thinning required. Our experienced tester estimates the job went roughly 10 times faster than it would have with brushes or rollers. The 19 Pro is a professional-grade sprayer that's still approachable for serious DIers willing to invest the time in learning it. It runs at up to 1,600 psi with a 0.4 GPM flow rate, and the included 50-foot hose gives enough reach on exterior work to leave the wheeled cart in one place. The control system is refreshingly simple, featuring only a priming knob and a power dial with 5 pressure levels. However, since there is no dial to adjust the actual flow of paint, we recommend that users tackling varied surfaces should plan to pick up additional tips beyond the included 515 heat tip. Titan's high-efficiency airless heat system claims up to 55% less overspray than standard airless sprayers, and our testing showed a noticeably softer, more controlled spray. For homeowners with a full exterior project on the horizon, the 19 Pro is a step up from our overall best pick in output and hose reach. However, the cart-mounted design is heavier and bulkier. It also requires budgeting for additional tips depending on the materials involved. However, for a large exterior job, the speed and finish consistency make it the most capable sprayer in this lineup. Coming in at number 6 is the Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. The Graco Ultra Cordless is the most effective tool for cabinetry and trim because it provides a professional factory-grade finish without the limitations of a power cord. At 5 pounds, it maneuvers easily around cabinet faces, door panels, and furniture. It cut our painting time nearly in half while painting a built-in desk and an interior wood door, leaving a smooth surface free of brush marks or roller textures. Compared to the drill-powered Graco TrueCoat 360 Cordless Connect, which relies on a separate drill for power, we found the Ultra Cordless easier to hold and maneuver around tight surfaces. However, it can start to feel heavy over long painting sessions. It supports tip sizes from 0.08 to 0.016 inches, and the included FFLP 514 tip is well matched to fine finish surfaces like cabinet doors. Loy says smaller orifice tips are better suited for that kind of detail work. Cleanup was manageable, but relatively time-consuming. We cleaned the paint sprayer in a sink with very hot water, and while the process felt easy, we still needed to take our time to flush everything thoroughly. We also appreciate that the unit comes with extra reservoirs and a screened funnel, which helps reduce mess between refills. Halfway through at number 5 is the Wagner Control Pro 130 Tank Paint Sprayer. If you typically rely on a brush roller to paint walls and want a faster, more even finish, the Wagner Control Pro 130 is worth considering. It's the lightest stationary sprayer we tested at just 9.5 pounds, so it's easy to move and reposition. We like how smoothly it applied primer and paint with zero sputtering, and it was clear that the sprayer would save considerable time on wall projects, rather than smaller wood beams we used it with. The stationary tank design holds up to 1.5 gallons of paint directly in the hopper, so you don't have to lug around a heavy bucket as you move the gun, though the 25-foot hose does limit your range compared to models with longer reach. It's worth noting that this model lacks a pressure adjustment dial, which is a significant trade-off. Because it operates at a single high speed, we used much more paint than expected for our project. We had to stop twice to refill its 1.5-gallon tank. On a small project, that's a real drawback. But on a wall or long fence run, the fast output will work in your favor, so you can cover more ground quickly. But if your projects are going to grow in scale or frequency, our best for larger projects pick gives you more range and lets you draw directly from the paint bucket. So refill stops aren't part of the equation. At number 4 we have the Graco Magnum Prox 19 Electric Airless Paint Sprayer. The Graco Magnum Prox 19 is the other end of the spectrum. A higher-end paint sprayer that can handle thicker, undiluted paint, while still remaining under the $1,000 mark. It's a great option for big paint jobs for homeowners, property managers, or anyone with a routine need for paint spraying. However, while the X19 is part of Graco's Pro Series, it's at the entry level, and actual professional painters will probably want something beefier. The Graco Magnum Prox 19 is an upgrade every way from the rest of the sprayers on this list. There's more stainless steel and less plastic in the overall construction. The spray gun swivels relative to the hose, making it more maneuverable. The hose can be extended up to 150 feet from the pump, and the cart conveniently holds 1 or 5-gallon buckets. The downside is that the Graco Magnum Prox 19 may be too powerful for beginners. While it's almost always worth investing in better tools, ask yourself whether you plan to get enough use out of a sprayer like this, and whether you're willing to invest the time in learning how to best use it. The third product on our list is the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. The Graco Magnum X5 is our top recommended paint sprayer. This is an affordable, high-performing sprayer perfect for DIYers and those who want more a step up from entry-level performance, but don't plan on using it enough to justify investing in pro-quality tools. Unlike some of the HPLV sprayers on this list, the Graco Magnum X5 is versatile enough for small jobs like kitchen cabinets, but powerful enough for full-size walls and ceilings. That versatility is reflected in the price though, which is why this costs more than any of the plug-in not cordless HPLV sprayers. In our original testing of the Graco Magnum X5, we could just about sum it up in one word: easy. Paint sprayers can be intimidating to first-time users due to fears about drips, overspray, and all the ways you can mess up a project. While those fears are valid and every spray gun requires some time to learn, the Magnum X5 is a great option for paint sprayer newbies. All parts are clearly labeled and intuitive. The manual is genuinely helpful. Cleanup instructions are conveniently printed on a laminated sheet. The Graco Magnum X5, like a lot of airless sprayers, uses a lot of paint, much more than a roller would. This sprayer, in particular, also leaves a lot of paint in the bucket. Once it dips below 1.5 inches, expect your suction to drop off. This is all to say that you plan on buying a lot of paint. Second on our list is the Graco TrueCoat 360 Variable Speed Paint Sprayer. The Graco TrueCoat 360 Variable Speed is a less expensive alternative to the Graco Magnum X5. As an HLPV high-volume, low-pressure sprayer, it's well suited to small jobs like cabinets, furniture, and doors, but would not be an optimal choice for covering large areas like walls. One look at the design, and you can get a sense of the benefits, as well as potential drawbacks of the TrueCoat 360. It's small and portable, with an attached paint cup rather than a hose that feeds from a separate bucket. This gives you the ability to work in cramped spaces or up on a high ladder anywhere that the power cord allows you to reach. But it also means you're limited by the capacity of the paint cup. The TrueCoat 360 is priced and designed for the do-it-yourself crowd. This rubs some people the wrong way, especially on Reddit's rPaint, where it's criticized for being flimsy and disposable. But there are just as many defenders who find that a simple, affordable paint sprayer like this is exactly what they needed for the occasional project. Finally, the top product on our list is the Wagner Flexo 5000. The Wagner Flexo 5000 impressed me as a budget-friendly sprayer capable of tackling larger projects. I especially appreciated the versatility of having two separate nozzles, which allowed me to switch between broad coverage and narrow work quickly. While the spray wasn't as perfectly smooth as premium models, the edges of the spray were a bit rougher. Overlapping passes minimized the effect. During transport, the carrying case design kept all my parts organized, and cleanup was easier than most of the other models I tested. For large projects like decks or fencing, it's a good choice at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.